So hello guys, today I'll be showing you the homemade dehumidifier. This is made up of two heat sinks, a small one and a large one PC fan, 120 millimeter diameter. So I've got the current from an adapter which I use to charge my battery. So I have a Peltier module got here inside it. I can't show you because I have sealed it with epoxy. So as you can see here that the humid air has facilitated the moisture to condense on this small heat sink. As you can see, water droplets. It's very cheap. I've made it with an expenses of around 1500 rupees. So and that's all. Um, this is the condenser heat sink. Here is the 120 fan which I use to cool the Peltier's hot side, and this is to dissipate the cold side of the Peltier, and in which the moisture is collected. So the moisture when collected condenses into water droplets, and then it drain into this small box which I have kept here. So I have kept it for around 1 day. Yeah, you see one drop is about to fall down from it. So I've kept it for around 1 day, and I've collected around 90 ml of water from my room. As you can see, I've used epoxy to attach the Peltier to the big heatsink and use the thermal compound to attach the small heatsink. So it's very efficient, low power consumption, and the fans and the Peltiers buy link are in the description box below, so you can check this out if you want to make this. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.